If your furnace pilot light is failing to ignite or stay lit, it can be a frustrating and potentially dangerous issue. The pilot light is a critical component of your furnace, responsible for igniting the gas that heats your home. In this video, we will walk you through the common symptoms, likely causes, safe homeowner checks, and professional repair processes to help you get your furnace up and running safely. The most common causes of furnace pilot light issues include a faulty thermocouple, a dirty or clogged pilot orifice, a faulty ignition system, or a problem with the gas supply. A qualified HVAC technician will begin by inspecting the pilot light and ignition system to identify any signs of wear or damage. They will then use specialized tools to test the thermocouple, ignition system, and gas supply. The repair process will depend on the specific cause of the issue. If the problem is with the thermocouple, the technician may replace it with a new one. If the issue is with the pilot orifice, the technician may clean or replace it. To prevent future furnace pilot light issues, it is essential to perform regular maintenance on your furnace, including having it inspected and serviced annually, cleaning the pilot light and ignition system regularly, and ensuring the gas supply is functioning properly.